Welcome to a price action and trade review for August the 18th of 2025. I think it was a pretty good morning. Let's go through it and let's just review the two trades that brought me roughly $2,500 across my 18 funded accounts. Please note that this week is the Jackson Hole Symposium. Price action tends, based on ICT teachings, tends to be seek and destroy. So all of my trades this week, it's going to be on the smaller side, but that means my losses will also be on the smaller side. And what we're going to do is we're going to review today's two trades. So trade number one, very simple. You can see here right now my chart is toggled RTH. So we're seeing the regular trading hours, which means that everything between 4:15 to 9:30, it's not going to show because those are the electronic trading hours, or those were captured within the electronic trading hours. But price here on August the 18th, it opened up at 9:30. It took out sell side immediately just by opening up here, and it rallied to the upside. When price does this, what does this mean when it comes to first presentation fair value gap? It means that the first presentation fair value gap can occur on the 9:30 candle if RTH, either buy side or sell side, has been taken at the candle. So you can see here, price shot up to the upside and it created the RTH gap right away. You can see here above us, what we have here is we got buy side. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 relative equal highs that formed between the hours of 3:30 to 4:14 on Friday. And price decided to go there. So my eye was on this and kind of dropping down into electronic trading hours. We see a bit more detail here. So sell side here was taken. We created our first presentation fair value gap, which is, as it states, the first fair value gap that forms after the 9:30 open, either on the 9:31 candle, but sometimes on the 9:30 candle. I do have a video that explains which one to use. Today, I'm using the 9:30 candle for this. And you can see here, price exploded to the upside, came back down, retested it. I should have grabbed my entry lower here, but I could take it there. By the time I got my broker up, I took it above somewhere right here. So I lost about 0.5 of a risk reward today. And then we can see here, price did decide to take out the highs from 304 as of Friday. Okay, once it hit it, price reversed back down. And you can see here, my next target here was these relative equal lows, which are the pre-930 highs. So it's the highs that formed between 7 o'clock to 9:30. These are considered the pre-high and lows of 9:30. They are draws on liquidity. And you can see here, price tagged them as well. So right when price broke on the 15-second chart, the low of the first presentation fair value gap, I did take a short. It was, again, a 1.3 to 1. And it did tag me, right here. So it was a 2-minute trade. Again, 2 quick trades, altogether less than 5 minutes of having positions being held open. But again, this is an example of buy side and sell side being taken and using the first presentation fair value gap as your line in the sand on where price should go based on the rejections off of it. Hope you guys learned something here. Again, fairly fast and simple on this one. Nothing too complicated. And without further ado, I might be done for the morning session, but we'll see if anything else shapes up. Take care, guys. Stay safe and talk soon.